Todo el mundo, good evening everyone. Just wanted to showcase the TID radio, the H3, the cloning capabilities of these radios. So it's very, very simple. So this radio is my master, and it has all the information I want to clone over to this secondary radio. So I've made some changes here in the menu settings, and I like to clone it to this radio or any other TID radio for that matter. I think this will work on even the H8 from one radio to another. So let's not delay this any longer. So simply hold down this key here, turn on the radio, and you will see wireless copy on the first radio. That's your master. Wireless copy on the second radio. And it's very simple. You just simply PTT on the transmitting radio, meaning you want to send your code plug, or I shouldn't say code plug, this is not DMR, but send your programming from master radio A to receiving radio B. And you hit the button again. So I lowered the volume just a little bit here. But basically it's copying everything over via RF, and I suspect it's just using nothing more than packet radio. And there you go. You can see the countdown on radio master A. Takes a break. There you go, confirm. You can see the higher count on the master radio. Obviously it's transmitting, then you're receiving here 25, 26, 26. So yeah, excellent little feature there. So that is the wireless clone feature on the TID radio TD-H3. This is really annoying though, the sound. So again, that's the wireless programming clone feature on the TID radio TD-H3, and that's 40 out of 40, successful. Turn off both radios. Wonderful little radios. Wonderful little radios for the price. Ah, perfect. Perfect. All right. Hey, James, you still there? Making a video. You're on the video. Say hello. Alright, man, I'm making a video for YouTube here doing the wireless cloning feature of the TID radio H3 73 James WP3JM W4KWS clear. Alright, and as Mr. James over there.
Okay, cool. Let me know when we're doing this video with the 5100. Whiskey Papa 3, Juliet Mike clear.
Alright guys, just wanted to share that video with you. 7-3 from Key West. W4KWS clear. Clear. 7-3.